Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So yes, y'all, we are going to do a pretty quick video today. I just want to give you a preview of the upcoming P&G insert. You can expect this insert in a little bit over a week. It should be coming out on May 1st. So not this upcoming Sunday. You won't find this in your Sunday coupon insert, but the following Sunday you will find this coupon insert with our P&G coupons in it. And we actually have some pretty good coupon inserts coming up this coming Sunday, which would be the 24th of April and the 1st of May. Both of those weeks, I believe, are weeks to get some coupons. So if you were kind of debating whether or not you should buy your papers or not, I definitely think that the next couple weeks are weeks to go on ahead and get your coupon inserts. We have some very good high value coupons coming in both of those papers. And then before we get into the actual coupons in this insert, I want to talk to you guys about an upcoming price increase. So I gave you the heads up a few months ago that we had that laundry price increase that was coming in February, and it definitely came February 28th, I think it was. We saw that $1 increase on our laundry products like our Tide and our Gain and all of that. Well, P&G is saying that another increase is on the way. So I was like, oh, let me buckle up. So I wanted to share this article with you guys just to let you know that we do have some more potential price increases coming on the way. And this article says that P&G exceeded Wall Street expectations with the best sales performance in 20 years. But it's also warned its investors that inflation and global turmoil could lead to price increases and eat into profits. In the last year, P&G has announced price increases in all 10 of its product categories, and it plans to boost prices on home care products in June and feminine care and oral care in July. So I'm not going to read this entire article to you, but I will have it linked in the description box below so that you can read the article. It's not that long, at your own leisure, but I'm a little bit concerned about the home care products being increased in June. The feminine care and oral care should be interesting too in July, but as I always tell you guys, we're always going to make deals regardless of how high the prices are or what the coupon values are. But I also believe in really stocking up when you have a good deal. So when you see deals on these products like home care products, feminine care, oral care, keep in mind that we do have some price increases coming, and go on ahead and stock up at today's price, because today's price might not be tomorrow's price. For real, you guys, that's the climate that we're living in. So definitely when you have those free items, those stock up price items, definitely get it in today. I also want to encourage you, especially if you are a CVS shopper in particular, to get rain checks when your store is out of products that may be on sale. You guys, I have rain checks going back to like 2010, 2011 at CVS for products like Tide and Dawn. So I can go back into CVS today and still get the price from 2010 thanks to those rain checks, because those rain checks never expire. So if you ever go into your store, like a lot of people went into their stores and the Persil was out of stock this week, definitely get rain checks on those products so that you can lock in those prices when you come back at a later time. So I just wanted to share those tidbits with you just to help you prepare for any potential upcoming inflation that we have on these products. Let me know how you feel about the upcoming inflation and how you plan to combat that down below. I really feel like couponing and deal shopping is one of the major ways that we can all combat it. Everybody should be a couponer right about now, I feel like. But let's get into the coupons. So first coupons up, we got some Cascade and some Dawn coupons. So we got a buy one, get one on the Cascade. You buy the Cascade tub, 30 count or larger, and you get the Cascade Rinse Aid for free. We have a 50-cent off on the Dawn dishwashing liquid, 32 ounces or larger. And then we have a 50 cents off of 2 Dawn scrubbers, sponges, 3 packs. Next up, we have our hair care coupon. So we have a buy two get one on the Pantene Nutrient Blend products, and that has a value up to $6.99. We have a 3 off of 3 on the Pantene this month. And then we also have our Head and Shoulders coupons. We get our normal 3 off of 2, but on the herbal essences, we did get a reduction here. So we have a 2 off of 2 on the herbal essences Buyer Renew. And then we got pretty good coupons for our razor coupons. $10 off Venus Radiant Skin Starter Kits. We have the $3 on the Venus, the $1 on the Gillette Shave Prep, and $3 on a Gillette razor. And then we also have a $10 off of 2 on the Oral-B replacement heads, and a $5 off for the Oral-B water flosser. We got a really nice coupon on the Burt's Bees, so we got a $4 off of 2. I bet you that's gonna be a nice double dip at CVS since that is off of 2 products, so I'm excited about that. And then we also have some Fixodent coupons, $1 off and $2 off, and we have a $1 coupon for our Crest toothpaste this month, 2.7 ounce or larger. Next up, we have some Always Discreet coupons. So $3 off for the Always Discreet Boutique and the 20 count or larger. And then we also have $2 off one Always Discreet Incontinence and $1 off of the Always pads. And then we have some other coupons over there for some products that I'll let you look at. One of them appears to be new. And then next up, we got our Tide coupon. So this, for me, is one of the most important pages of this insert. So with this Tide insert, they are playing with the coupon values again. So they're doing that thing where they split up our coupons and give us $1 off the smallest one, $2 off the mid-size, and then $3 off of the large. So they've done that with the Tide Pods and the Tide Liquid. So here's a close-up of everything that we're getting as far as the Tide. We still have some very nice values on the other side with our Downy and Dreft products. So we got $3 off of the Dreft, $3 off of the Big Downy, $2 off of the mid-size, which is still pretty big Downy, and then $1 off of the small Downy. And then something else that's interesting is we do have our gain coupons in this insert. So we have the $2 off for the larger gain, the $1 off for the smaller gain in this insert. You know, they don't always include the gain in this insert. Sometimes we get it in our save insert, but it will be in the P&G in the month of May. We also have some higher value coupons for the Charmin and Bounty. So we have $1 off for the Charmin and $1 off for the Bounty, which I like to see. And we also have $1 off of 3 of the puffs. And then on the next page, we have some other coupons that I will scan through for you. $1 off the Swiffer, $1 off the Mr. Clean Broom, 50 cents off the Dawn, $1 off Metamucil, and $1.51 Vicks Vapo product. And then on this page, we have some Olay, some Old Spice, and some deodorant coupons. So we have $1 off of 2 for the various Olay higher end products, $1 off of 2 for the Old Spice. We have $2 off for the Old Spice. This must be a newer product for the Old Spice hand and body lotion. And then we also have a buy one, get one. So buy one Old Spice body wash and get $3 off of the body spray. We have $1 off a Secret dry spray, $2 off the Secret or Gillette Clinical, and then $1 off of 2 on the Secret. And so we got a lot of buy one, get ones in this insert. Next page up, we got $1 off of 2 for the Gain. We have $10 off for the Derma Geek, and then we also have a buy one, get one free on the Febreze Air Effects. And then the next buy one, get one free is the final page. So we have a buy one Olay facial moisturizer and then get the Olay facial cleanser for free with a value up to $8. And we also have a $1 off for the Olay facial moisturizer. So that is it for the May P&G, you guys. You guys let me know down below what you think about this upcoming month for the P&G. We have a lot of buy one, get one free. That seems to be the theme, I feel like, of this particular insert, but I'm definitely excited about using a lot of these coupons. So let me know if you have any questions. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe if you have not already. I would love to have you as a part of my coupon family. I thank you all once again for watching today's video, and as always, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.